Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose. This is an intermediate modern jive clip showing how to do a first move cha-cha. Knowing how to do a first move already would be really helpful. Knowing how to lead or be good at leading footwork, leading and following footwork would be really helpful. So I'll put links to the first move and a series of videos on leading footwork so that you could definitely got access to the information you need to be able to put this move together. So jumping in, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's go through it. So man's left, lady's right. We go back. Starts like the first move. We come in. As we twist the ladies out, instead of twisting ourselves out the opposite way, guys, we turn towards the ladies and step forwards on the left. So we're going down the side of the lady, and then we're going to take a step back on our left. So we turn quarter of a turn, and that's just a step. We're then going to do a close and another step. Then we turn to the left. So guy step forwards right, lady step back left. We rock back, and then we go step, close, step, going the other way. Repeat the first twist out, and then it's just finish the first move off from there. In, under and face, return and back. Same thing from the other side, and we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, in 2, twist out 3, side close side 4, twist out 5, side close side 6, twist out 7, preparation 8, turning 1, facing 2, return 3 and back 4. Okay, this is it. Let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, first move, cha-cha, back, in, twist, cha-cha, twist, cha-cha, twist, twist, turn, face, return and back. And that is the whole thing. Hope you find that fun out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Like and subscribe and help promote the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that. Notifications if you've got them turned on, or when you get told every time a new video comes out so you never miss one. And the music recommendation that comes up in the last few seconds of the video is just a music video with a nice tune to practice this to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.